Every great board begins with precision. Advanced SMT assembly in action. High speed, high accuracy component placement. Perfect soldering through reflow. Zero defect mission, AI-powered OWI scanning. Rigorous testing for reliable performance. Carefully packed, ready for the world. Your one-stop PCBA partner, from design to delivery.